Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to reset your Hostinger email password. There are two methods to reset your email account password. First, if you already have access to your Hostinger email inbox, you can simply reset your password from settings. Make sure to click on password, and here all you need to do is to fill in your current password, then fill in 2 times your new password. First time here and the second time here, and hit save. If you don't have access to your Hostinger email inbox, simply log in to your Hostinger hosting account like this. Then go to emails and first, yes, click on mailboxes next to the domain name that your free or your Hostinger email uses, and you will see the available Hostinger email addresses. And next to the one you want to reset the password for, click on these 3 dots and select change password. And here all you need to do is to fill in your new password. Here you don't need to fill in your current password, just the new one. And this is how to reset your Hostinger email password successfully. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.